Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. आज के वीडियो में I'm not really going to share a recipe with you, but it's an idea. It's my secret weapon that really helps me in the kitchen, and I really hope that it makes your life as easy as it makes mine, especially in these times when we're staying at home and making a lot of those home cooked meals. So I like to call the secret weapon my magic masala, and the reason for that is because it really does work like magic. You're in and out of the kitchen in no time. Now I like cooking, but I don't like spending too much of time in the kitchen, so this works perfectly for me. It frees up a lot of time for you to do other things that you'd probably want to pursue, be it your fitness goals, your professional goals, or what have you. So what this masala is essentially a flavor base of ingredients that gives you a head start to cooking without having to reinvent the wheel each time. And here are some examples of the meals that I cooked in the past couple of weeks using this masala. These were made in less than 30 minutes, and that's why this masala is such an integral part of my meal prep throughout the year. And have you noticed, now that everybody's at home, everyone's perpetually hungry?
Mom, bored. Is there anything to eat?
Dekha? So if you look at Indian cooking and the ingredients that make the base of most of our recipes, these are, besides spices, usually tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, green chilies, and dhania or coriander or cilantro, or it's a permutation and combination of these. So this is what I do each week. I prepare a masala or a flavor base by simply putting these 6 ingredients in a pressure cooker in large chunks or whole. Example, the tomatoes and the chilies and garlic, you just put it as whole. Don't even have to cut them. Once all these ingredients are added in the pressure cooker, we'll add about 1/4 of a cup of water or so and give it a couple of whistles till the ingredients are softened. And if you have the green part of the green onions lying around, put that as well. It just adds to the flavor. And here's another lot that I made another time just to show you that you don't even have to cut the tomatoes, just put them whole. And then all you have to do is just blend. Blend, blend, blend. I'm using this Blenderella here, but you can use your mixie or your blender, but highly recommend that you look into buying an immersion blender because it makes cleanup a breeze. That's if you don't have one already. And there you have it, your liquid gold, that magic masala that'll give you so much flavor and a head start to cooking those Indian meals. And here's a tip. If you only have canned tomatoes on hand, perhaps due to the current coronavirus situation, then don't worry. You can totally use the canned ones. Just cook all the other ingredients except the canned tomatoes as shown previously, then add them in the end with the rest of the cooked ingredients and blend. Put it in a container and store it at the coldest part of your fridge, which is usually at the very back. And now, let's watch the magic unfold. First, let's make the rajma, lobia, dals, chane, or whatever curry you like. We'll take some oil, splatter some jeera or cumin seeds, add the magic masala, 2 or 3 or 4 ladlefuls depending on what you're cooking and how much. Add your spices, haldi, lal mirchi, and salt or whatever else. And then add the overnight soaked lentils or dals or beans with the desired amount of water that you want. Pressure cook them by lowering the flame after the first whistle, and remember that the rajmas and the chanas take longer to cook than the dals. And now coming to the sabzis, I'm going to use these 3 that I made recently as examples. The first one is an assorted vegetable one, next one's an eggplant, and the third is a cabbage and peas one. Again, the common process is to add the oil, splatter the cumin seeds, add the magic masala and spices. Again, you add the amount of masala according to what and how much of it you're making. For the mixed vegetables, I'm using this medley of frozen veggies that makes this sabzi ready in less than 15 minutes. And it's so delicious, we're totally addicted to it. For the eggplant, I just sliced and grilled it and then sauteed it with the masala and spices. It's as simple as that. If you'd like to see a video on the detailed recipe, let me know in the comment section below. I served them up with some lentils and brown rice on the side. And for the cabbage, we stir-fried some thinly sliced cabbage and peas with the masala and covered and cooked it till it was just done. And make sure that you don't overcook it, and also cook on medium heat and not low so that the cabbage doesn't leave its water and becomes soggy. So there you have it. Enjoy. So thank you for spending time with me. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, I'd love to hear back from you. And do subscribe, like, share, all of that good stuff, because it really means a lot to us. I hope you stay safe out there. Take care, and bye-bye.